Hey guys, we got a 2009 Forester. We kind of sold the hood off it before we could take pictures of it. It's damaged here in the door. Motor's still good. Fans, turbo. The interior of the thing is trashed. Looks like a dog lived in it. It's got pretty good low miles though. I think 72,000. Stereo probably works. Hey, what do you know? Yeah, stereo works. All the AC stuff works. And it's 1 o'clock. Cheers. Passenger seat's alright. Leather. Looks like shit though. The door's hammered. It looks like someone stole the gasoline out of it already. Back seats are good. Headliner's trashed on one side. Back tailgate's good. It's a nice clean white tailgate. Opens up. Look at all this dog hair in here. Disgusting. Got spare tires complete. It's a good parts car. And then you got this whole side. Door panels are pretty clean. You got some wheels, got some decent tires on them. And then here's the color code. 37J. It's white. If you guys need parts for this thing, and it's got a sunroof. If you guys need parts for this car, give us a buzz. Power mirrors. It's sitting on the floor.